Eskom's primary challenge is that they are a huge organization with more than 30,000 employees all across South Africa, with more than 600 sites. And so Eskom needed an IT service provider for end-user computing that would be able to have resources all across South Africa and be able to be placed at their sites to deliver end-user computing.
The collaboration between the two teams, Eskom and Nkgwete, I can easily say that, it's easy. We collaborate easily because, with Nkgwete, it's easy to access them.
The collaboration between Eskom and Nkgwete is very solution-driven. They always go the extra mile for Eskom. They're very adaptable.
From an Nkgwete perspective, it's not about a transaction. It's more around a partnership.
One of the highlights, or what I can think of, it's faster restoration time. They've introduced, for instance, the walk-in center.
The benefits of the walk-in center is that the first thing you have that it's immediate support.
The user will only reliant on them logging a call, but now they can just walk in. That also improved, the efficiency and the experience of our users.
And that just increases productivity as well. So for me, that was a very, very, affecting the Eskom business.
Even the executives now, if anyone is stuck, they know that there's this center that they can easily go to, and then they will be serviced there.
Nkgwete is the face, they're the first point of contact generally with our customer, with our end user. You need to sometimes have that soft skill to be able to fix that. An engineer that needs to get something in the plant working that could impact potentially the country. So that sort of level of empathy and understanding, you definitely need to have that.
Nkgwete is the face of IT across the regions. So we rely on them to be our interface, and the skills, the soft skills that they are getting really comes in handy.
The advantage here also is them being familiar with the environment, because I realized for the duration of the contract is that they quite understand the nature of the business.
This delivery and Nkgwete are synonymous. I think the numbers don't lie. They've been meeting and exceeding most of their SLAs throughout the contract period.
A 96% customer satisfaction index over the business, yes, because it also, more than us, or the customers, having effect or experiencing it, it tells me that Nkgwete is reliable.
You look at customer satisfaction. You look at them being reachable at all times. You look at the number of calls that we had, they've really, really dropped.
Nkgwete is embracing Eskom's values, and especially with customer satisfaction. You notice that they have achieved 96% plus customer satisfaction. They've never missed any SLAs from the beginning, and that means that they are doing excellent.
Wow, there's a lot one can mention. There is a lot. In my 30 years plus experience working for Eskom in the IT industry, it was for the first time whereby a service provider will call us to come and give us their roadmap.
Even in future, should we have other service providers, we will also continue from where what we learned from Nkgwete. So there is proper collaboration between the two companies.
And I'm quite proud now that, being not such a big company, the results or what they brought, is quite noticeable.